Hi everyone, welcome to Cartoonium channel. In this video you will get to know how I repair my sketches. I think it's time to draw something. Okay, let's draw. My sketch has some problem, but I know some tricks. Take little amount of water. Let's remove the back part of the sketch. Finally, I removed the part. I will show you what's inside the sketch. Some kind of sponge-like structure is inside it. Now let's add few drops of water into that sponge. Actually, that's the trick. Adding water is the trick. Now our sketch is ready to write and draw. Now my sketch is writing well and good. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If your sketch also get repaired, try this trick. Don't forget to subscribe.